I keep seeing all these L-shaped desks for $1,500. Let's see how cheap we can make one today. Welcome back, guys. Ethan with Grayson Grains Woodworks here. Back at you again with another full build video. So today we're gonna be building an L-shaped desk for my brother-in-law. I typically am a hardwood snob, but today we're making it out of the big box Doug fir. So luckily this stuff is all dried. I tested it. I think I was getting between 8 and 10. So I'm pretty happy with that. I'm not too worried about the movement. So let's dive in. Okay, so I got it all cut down to about 51 inches. It is going to be a 4 foot by 4 foot L-shaped desk, so a pretty good sized desk. I'm not going to joint them yet. I want to rip off one of the factory edges first, because if I try to joint that factory edge, it's just going to take me forever. So I'm going to rip one side down on each one of these, and then I'll joint them, plane them, take them back, rip them back down to get them all parallel and even on 4 sides. So let's dive in again. All right, so we got everything planed and jointed, ripped it on the table saw. Next, gotta start gluing up. All right, a couple days later, we are back at it again. So, quick shout out to my buddy Tim Monat. Tim, if I didn't get that right, I apologize. Super cool dude. Met him on the old Facebook Market, and that dude has a crazy shop and builds some crazy cabinetry and furniture. So, I'm going to link all of his links down below. Go check him out. Give his page on Facebook a like and ask any questions you have. So, next thing on this table. As you can see, it is the L-shaped table. We need to trim the edges here on each side, and then we're going to glue it up. It's going to be 48 by 48, so we'll have to trim a little excess off. So yeah, let's dive in. All right, and on to the glue up. I actually, if you guys see these vintage bar clamps, I got these on Facebook Market for $40. They're 4 6-footers and then 2 2-footers. For $40, you cannot go wrong. So onto the glue up, it's all good to go. Noticing it's a little bit out of square, but I'll get that fixed up when it's out of the clamps. So yeah, no worries at all. Let's get on with it. All right, next day, got it out of the clamps, good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and start doing my absolute favorite part of any project, sanding. So now is when I'm gonna hit it with 80 first. I'll do 120, 180, and I'll probably end at 220, and then water pop it and hit it again with 220. So this is going to be about 30 seconds for you, maybe 3 hours for me. So let's dive in and have some fun. All right, so just finished sanding all the way up to 220. And then I marked out and drilled out all the holes for the legs that we're doing. Unfortunately, my phone died and I didn't realize, so I didn't film any of it. So that is my bad. But if you need any other videos on drilling holes, let me know and I'll tag one down below. So tomorrow, I'm gonna go ahead in the morning because I want to be able to sand it and then start the finish process. We're gonna water pop it, wait for that to completely dry, hit it one more time with 220. When we're done with the 220, then we are gonna go ahead. I'll wipe it with mineral spirits, get all of the excess dust, any particles from the sanding process off. And then we're gonna go ahead and stain it and then apply a polyurethane. So stay tuned and let's go to bed. And that is a wrap on the L-shape full build out of Doug Fir. This entire build roughly was less than 200. So, you know, the only thing that I'm in it was, you know, a little bit of money and some labor, but that's really it. Not a whole lot going on this one. But the finished product is beautiful. So, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment what you guys want to see next. It has been blistering hot here in Oklahoma, as you can see. So videos are going to be coming, and I think the next one is going to be a shop equipment tune-up video. So stick around for that one. Let me know what you guys want to see in the future. Peace out.